message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Police. A train derailment has occurred in East Palestine, Ohio. The train at the time had been carrying hazardous materials. It has been confirmed that the Sulphur Run waterway has been contaminated with this material. Because of this, water and soil checks are currently being conducted in eastern Ohio and western Pennsylvania, in cities such as Youngstown and Pittsburgh. Please stay tuned to the station for further information.